Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. So today I'll be shaving down and prepping my brake calipers for paint. I already started on this guy. Pretty much done here. Just gonna have to sand down the rest of the caliper and should be ready to go for paint. So let's go ahead and let's get this Acura logo shaved down and we'll go from there. Dirty bracket. Pretty close. A is completely Alright, the A is completely shaved. It's pretty smooth. Just gonna go ahead and do the rest for the other letters. So alright, so here's the shaved Acura logo. It's pretty smooth already. I'm just gonna go run it down with a couple more runs with the higher grit sandpaper and then working the rest on the caliper, and then we should be good to go. Yeah, came out pretty good second time around.